this is from when I actually clean the car, the trunk. I obviously need paper. This I use for my dogs. That's the back seat when I have my dogs, my toolbox, and some necessities that I need. And I just got this. So this is for the grill. I don't know if I'm gonna go with it or not. I have to custom fit it. So, but that's what the trunk looks like now compared to before. So it definitely looks better than before. So I ended up fixing the shifter nice and tight. I ended up installing a new head unit compared to the other one. I like it, looks pretty neat. Just like the way it looks like. Look at that. Really nice. I ended up changing this over here that wasn't working. And I ended up changing the odometer. The other one had 190 something when it stopped working, so this one has 67,000. I just had this thing over here I bought on eBay. It was custom made. The sun reflector looks pretty nice. I just don't like the fact that it has no cut for the my dash cam. I have the wire for my dash cam. I'm actually uploading some videos right now, but dash cam wire goes all the way down over there, well, through the back. It goes inside the headliner, all the way in the back, all the way in the back. Goes down on the bottom and here, but it looks much better. So looks better, huh? Well, I think it does.